Hello, everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of clownfish. These little reef dwellers have a life full of curiosities and secrets that you'll love to discover. Get ready for a 7-minute journey packed with incredible information and lots of fun. Clownfish, also known as anemonefish, are small, colorful fish that belong to the subfamily Amphiprionidae within the family Pomacentridae. There are about 30 different species of clownfish, each with its own unique characteristics and habitat. Let's talk a bit about some of these species and their peculiarities. Clownfish species. Amphiprion percula. Commonly known as the true clownfish, this is the famous Nemo from the Disney movie. They have a bright orange color with 3 white stripes and mainly live in the waters of the western Pacific Ocean. Amphiprion ocellaris. Often mistaken for A. percula, the false clownfish looks very similar but can be found over a wider range, including the Indian Ocean. Amphiprion clarkii. One of the most adaptable clownfish, found in a variety of colors from yellow to brown, and can inhabit different types of anemones. It's an aggressive and territorial species. Amphiprion frenatus. Also known as the tomato clownfish, easily recognized by its vivid red color with a single white stripe near the head. It is one of the most aggressive species, along with Amphiprion clarkii. Premnas biaculeatus. Also called the maroon clownfish, it has an intense red color with 3 stripes on its body that can be white or yellow. It's territorial and often picks fights with other clownfish species nearby. Fascinating facts. Now that you know some of the species, let's explore some curiosities that make these fish so special. Symbiosis with anemones. Clownfish have a symbiotic relationship with sea anemones. The anemones provide protection with their stinging tentacles, while the clownfish keep them clean, ward off predators, and help the anemone feed. They develop immunity to the anemone's stinging cells, almost as if the anemone allows the fish to make contact. It's not uncommon for clownfish to attempt symbiosis and become prey or get injured from contact. This interaction must start delicately and gradually, as the fish develop a special mucus layer on their skin that protects them. This tentacle protection is extremely useful when a predator appears. They just hide among the tentacles, and no fish dares to bother the anemone because of its stings. Sex change. One of the most intriguing characteristics of clownfish is their ability to change sex. They are all born male and can become female. In a group, the dominant female is the largest and most aggressive. If she dies, the dominant male changes sex to take her place. In an aquarium, for example, if 2 or more clownfish are introduced together, the largest will tend to be dominant and will soon become the group's only female. Territorial behavior. Clownfish are extremely territorial and protective of their anemones. They ward off any intruder that might pose a threat, whether other fish or even curious divers. For this reason, they also tend to thrive in aquariums because, despite the vastness of the ocean, clownfish rarely stray far from their chosen anemone. Communication. These fish also communicate through sounds. They emit clicks and pops to communicate with their companions and to show dominance. They also use force and small aggressive gestures like flicking their tail in a rival's face and even quick headbutts. Reproduction and life cycle. Clownfish have a fascinating life cycle. They are known for being dedicated parents. The female lays eggs on a surface close to the anemone, and the male diligently guards them, fanning and keeping them clean until they hatch. Once hatched, the young tend to stay close to the anemone until they are big enough to venture out and find their own home. Natural habitat and conservation. Clownfish are mainly found in coral reefs in the Indo-Pacific regions, including Australia's Great Barrier Reef and the reefs of Indonesia. They are currently one of the most successful fish in captive breeding. Each pair can produce over 200 healthy offspring in captivity, which helps prevent other animals from being taken from the wild. However, it is crucial to promote the conservation of coral reefs to protect these and many other marine inhabitants. When bred in captivity, they are fed a type of micro shrimp called rotifers. The success of this type of breeding has spread worldwide, resulting in a significant reduction in the number of clownfish taken from the wild. So, folks, I hope you enjoyed learning a bit more about the secret life of clownfish. They are incredible creatures, full of surprises and curiosities that make our ocean an even more fascinating place. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you next time, and remember, the ocean is a world full of mysteries waiting to be discovered.